Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So the first method here is to simply go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar, and you can either type in run from here, or you can simply right click on the Windows icon and go ahead and click and run. Right now from here, just simply type in wsreset.exe, and once you click on that, it's going to try to open up your Microsoft Store. See if that fixes the issue for you. If your Microsoft Store is opening and working, then fantastic, the first solution works, and I'm happy for you. Now let's move on to other options that you can try to fix the problem. Now, the second method that I want to share with you is to re-register your Microsoft Store. And to do this, you want to go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar, and you will find Terminal or PowerShell Admin. Go ahead and click on that. Then click and open or yes. Right, you will see that PowerShell loads, guys, and you want to go ahead and run the following command. I'm going to open up this so that you can see this is the command that you will need, and I'll also put it within the description of this video. So you want to go ahead and ensure that you copy this, and then within the PowerShell, just simple ensure that you paste it in by doing a right click and hit enter and wait for the process to complete. And once it is done, guys, all you have to do is just right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to the shutdown or sign out and restart your PC. Once your computer restarts, go ahead and try again to open up your Microsoft Store and see if method 2 actually fixes the problem for you. Now, for the third and final method that I want to share with you guys is to simply reinstall the Microsoft Store. And to do that, you want to go ahead again and right click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and open up the PowerShell admin, or if you have Windows 11, you'll see Terminal admin. You click on that, then click on yes. And you want to go ahead and run these two commands. As you can see right here, I'm going to have these in a Word document. I'll also put them within the description of this video. And so you want to copy these and you want to go ahead and paste them. Now, the first option is basically to remove the Microsoft Store. So you want to go ahead and run this. And once this is done, guys, you want to run the second command that you will see within the list as well. So this is the first command, then this is the second one. You want to copy it and you want to run that in the PowerShell as well. Once all of this is done, you want to go ahead and restart your computer. And I hope that one of these three solutions will fix the problem for you. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.